Ever seen a geometry problem full of weird symbols and thought, what on earth does that mean? Well, you're not alone. In this video, we're going to crack the code of geometric notation. So, next time you encounter those weird lines, symbols, and angles, you'll know exactly what they're saying. Let's start with the basics. A point, the simplest building block, is labeled with a capital letter, like A or B. It shows an exact location in space but has no size. A line goes on forever in both directions and is shown with 2 points and a little arrowed line on top, like this. It has no endpoints and is perfectly straight. A plane? Think of it like an endless flat surface, labeled with one capital letter or 3 points, such as plane P or plane ABC. It stretches infinitely in all directions and has no thickness. Now that we've covered the basics, let's zoom in a bit. A segment is just a slice of a line. It has 2 endpoints. We write it like this. It's a measurable part of a line. A ray starts at one point and heads off forever in one direction. It's written like this. And remember, the first letter is always where it starts. It has one endpoint and one side that extends infinitely. With points, lines, and rays in mind, now we can talk about angles. An angle is formed by 2 rays that share a common endpoint. They are named using 3 points with the vertex or the corner in the middle. So, angle ABC means B is the vertex. If there's only one angle at a point, you might just see angle B. To wrap things up, let's take a look at how lines interact with one another. Some lines run alongside each other forever and never cross. These are called parallel lines, and they are written as this. They stay the same distance apart, no matter how far they extend. Others can cross in a very specific way. For example, at a perfect 90-degree angle. These are called perpendicular lines, and they are written like this. They form neat right angles where they meet. So now that you've decoded the language of geometry, it's time to use it. Look around. On paper, in buildings, in video games, and you'll start noticing these symbols everywhere. See you in the next video.